day is finally here. Laughter echoes skies so blue. This day is made for me and you. Up from every land and every shore, we shine with love and so much more. From mountaintops to oceans wide, we walk with hope and hearts with pride. We're dreamers, doers, bold and kind. The future's ours, let's help it shine. Built with blocks, we sing our song. We learn what's right, we fix what's wrong. We paint the world in colors bright. With every hug, we share our lives. From villages to city skies, from desert winds to fireflies, we're children of this earth, you see. Together strong, together free. We learn, we play, we care, we grow. Let's tell the world what children know. We speak with laughter, sing with joy. Every girl and every boy, with different voices, dreams and names. Inside our hearts, we're just the same. We dance, we draw, we leap so high, like stars that sparkle in the sky. Up from Africa to India, from Spain to USA, from snowy lands to island sands, let's all come out and play. The world is big, but we belong, so lift your voice in one big song. We're the heart of Earth today. Happy, happy Children's Day. Papa, we be